Next, I got the next speaker I'm gonna be blowing up, and I just don't know why I bought those at the thrift store because I can still hear that sound on that right. It's like it sounds really funny to me because I'm hearing it's the a broken voice coil, and it sounds hilarious. Don't know why I bought that shit, but that's a waste of money. But I'm still gonna blow them up anyways. So, as you can still see right here, I hooked the speaker using the same receiver as Sony receiver, and I'm gonna continue to blow them up and see if it has more power to blow the speaker. And anyways, I'm gonna get started right now. 3, 2, 1.
Here goes.
See if it plays the same volume as I keep it on max. Oh, you hear the broken voice coil? It's just because that I haven't put that music that loud, but as I'm putting it up, you're gonna feel how warm the speaker is. Not yet. We're gonna see what happens.
Still feels cold.
Feels cold? What does it smell like?
Oh.
What does that smell?
It smells like rotten bread.
I'll be back.
Now I smell something. Smells filthy in here. You smell it?
No.
Come.
Yeah.
Smell
I
it again.
can smell it from here. It's not burning, right?
It's not. Describe what it smells like.
What does it smell?
Something burning.
Really? From what?
From maybe from
There.
This is so hilarious. This is why I want to do a video.
No.
Yeah, I just want you to come here for a reason and describe what it smells like. What does it smells like?
Yeah, like something burning.
Burning?
Mm-hmm.
Like what? Describe what it
Like
smells. Plastic. Oh my gosh. You got me on that. Me too. All right, you could go back down here. I'm gonna continue the video. Okay, I am back again. Sorry about the inconvenience, because I just had to record it on my phone. I asked his mom to come upstairs. So Diego, you said it smells really bad, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm gonna continue to do it again.
Because I thought it smells like rotten bread, but it's not.
It's burnt plastic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me play the same song.
I know what rotten bread smells like.
Continue. I'm still gonna continue the next video is to continue to blow that one until it dies. Huh?
You did good so far.
Yeah, that's why I had it recorded right now. So I can smell the magnet like burning inside the speaker. Huh? It scares you, right?
Kind of.
You see the smoke?
Yeah.
What smells like, Diego?
It smells like burning. I was kind of startled that time.
Oh my gosh.
Oh goodness.
That is so hilarious.
It feels like that speaker's going to explode.
But it's gonna be in the protect mode, like the receiver, like what the receiver does.
Yeah.
It smells like pretzels, isn't it?
Yeah. Like it smells like pretzels from Russell's pretzels.
Anyways, we're gonna continue to do it. Hold on, let me pause that and show it to her. Yo, I can't believe that. I still gotta stop recording and we played that video. That I just literally recorded and I just react that the smoke is like blowing out in front of us. And of course I can still smell the burnt plastic here in his attic. It stinks.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up.
It's kind of startling. I'm gonna throw this away.
Now you hear the broken voice coil, right?
Yeah.
Now there's gonna be both broken voice coils now. Now they're gonna be both broken voice coils now.
Yes. It's almost destroyed. see the smoke now.
This it smells like now.
Now it smells like fire.
Wow! Oh my gosh. Wow, bro. Like, this receiver is so strong right now.
I think it might be the winner.
I know it's a winner, Diego. How I know this receiver blows that speaker. You see the smoke just coming out of the speaker, right?
Yeah.
What does it smell like now?
It smells like fire now.
Now 2 woofers are broken except the tweeters.
Yeah.
So this one makes me want to laugh. For real.
Yeah.
Alright guys, in the meantime, we taking these 2 speakers outside and we're gonna break it and whoop their asses. As you can still see right here, I even unplugged. Just to know, I did unplug the speaker wire out of the receiver because we're gonna take these 2 speakers outside and we're gonna whoop their ass. Me and Diego, me and my friend, we're gonna do it together. So Diego's gonna bring 2 speakers, put them outside, and I'll have him I'll let him my belt so he can whoop it outside as hard as he can. Right, Diego?
Yeah, they're gonna break so hard, and I'm gonna whoop their asses, and they're gonna break it to pieces.
But you're gonna whoop it really hard, right? As you do that? Okay.
Yeah, super hard.
So nervous to do that, but I had to do it. So anyways, start taking these 2 speakers and take it outside.
Don't be nervous.
Diego! Oh my gosh, are you okay?
I'm fine. I have to pay more attention this time.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. He fell. He tripped. I told him, watch out of the wires down here so he don't trip and fall. You gotta wear a hoodie, Diego. Alright, Diego, let's do. Huh?
The wires pick them up.
Oh, yeah, I got him.
All right.
Let's do this.
All right. Okay.
It's kind of a lot of cold, too cold to be out there, but I don't care. So, Diego, start on the right side. Don't go that way. We don't know if there's dog poop in that dirt. Drop the speaker. Drop the speaker.
Yeah.
Place it down here.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna lend you my belt so you can whoop the speaker. Hold on a second. Hold on. Here, Diego. Ready? 3. Whoop! You gotta keep whooping him until it breaks. Is it break?
No, not yet.
Alright, I think it's my turn. Wait, hold my camera.
All right.
Ready?
All right. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
All right. Go.
Go. crazy. My boat's about to break right now. You see how damaged this belt is? It's really damaged.
Yeah. Oh, because of their their string.
You fucking stupid bitch!
I'll take
Wait.
You'll take the camera.
You're gonna hurt yourself, Diego, if you put your fist on that speaker.
I'll use my foot. I'll just use my foot.
Just throw them in the ground so they can break.
Okay.
Ready? Go. Oh.
Now the other one.
You got him. You got it. Are you gonna break that one?
I gotta do the same thing with the other one. Can't believe it worked.
That works.
Yeah.
Even though it doesn't have a screwdriver on it, I want to see what's wrong with it right now.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh shit, it's locked up. Feel something, Diego.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no. It's completely fried. All right, hold my camera.
All right.
Put that one too. I wanna ooh, that magnet is so pretty hot. This one says 6 ohms, and this one is 100 watts. I can't believe it.
Nobody believes it either.
Just use my key to just slice it. Man, I gotta buy like a new belt. A good new belt. Although it was burnt, although it's in black.
Wait, let me feel it. Oh no, it's warm.
Oh, I can still see that it's still locked up.
Yeah.
Anyway, we clean it up after the Let's see what else with that with another room. Oh, Diego, I see on the voice coil. It's like this. Shit. Oh yeah, my keys back. Oh wow, look, Diego.
What?
It's black.
Oh, so I see.
It's really black. That's why I can see the smoke. It's like blowing up of our faces.
Yeah. It was really hilarious.